Today, we are reviewing one legend. A car that will make every petrolhead smile. The most British, small and iconic car of all times. This car is so perfect that they didn't change the design for over 40 years. And certainly I think that this is the holy grail of the lightweight bodies. And this car is Mini Cooper. The car itself is with simple but very practical design. It's a definition of how small can be big in the same time. The steering is precise, and because it's an old school car, you feel the road right into your arms. When you drive it, you feel sporty, you feel precision, and in the same time, you feel romantic and a little bit nostalgic for the good old times. But let's not forget that this car has a serious racing pedigree.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.